fix the request is not supported error when trying to launch apps in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. If you experience the request is not supported error whenever you attempt to launch Windows applications only, Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter might be able to help here. Fix 2. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus. Fix 3. Repair damaged system files. You can check whether corrupted system files or registries are causing this error and repair them as necessary. Follow these steps. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 4. Check your disk. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 5. Reset Windows. Resetting Windows might help you resolve the situation. Before proceeding, disconnect unnecessary peripherals and uninstall or disable your third-party antivirus. Make copies of files before proceeding.